How to add multiple languages to your Shopify store. So right here from the left hand side, we want to click on settings and then scroll down until you're able to locate the option for languages. It should be right above customer privacy. After we click on languages, then you will see this published languages and you will have English by default, and I have added this one. But basically, if you want to make your Shopify store multi-language, we will click on add language here and we can choose the language which we would like to add to our Shopify store. For example, I'm going to do Bulgarian here and I will click on add. And as you can see now, this language has gone to the unpublished languages section. So right here, if we want to translate it to this language, first we will click on the three dots next to it. Then we will click on publish and then we will just confirm here. And it's going to go to our published languages list. So now how can we actually translate this? We will click on translate and we will use the translate and adapt app, which is this one, and it automatically installs it once we add a new language here. So I'm just going to click on translate, and then here you can make some edits yourself, or if you want to auto translate, then if we press this, it will tell us that we are going to automatically translate our store content powered by Google Translate, and we have one more language after this which we can add to our website and use it to translate for free here. Basically, you want to click on this button and translate, and then just review the entire translation and you can click on publish here. Now that was one way, and another way how we can do this, we're gonna go to settings again and I'm gonna go to languages, and here you can import language files or CSVs of your translations. You simply click on add file here and you can upload your translation or you can export it right here. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.